Hello, this is Paul from Foresight Tech. In this lecture, we're going to introduce a complementary event, how to find the probability, and also look at the definition. If this box or rectangle is the sample space, so all the outcomes inside. If look at the left, if the left event we call the A is an event A. See, look at the right side, so we call it A bar, which means the complementary event. What does it mean? Well, sometimes the complementary we use prime, a prime, okay, some book. Here we use a bar, which means what? A and put A and A bar together form the sample space, and also A and A bar does not overlap together, right? No overlap, and put together is the total sample space. Means the opposite, right? Or you can say it's just the how do you say it's the opposite. We simply say like this. What the formula? So if we know the probability A, how to find the probability B? A bar. So A bar is 1 minus AY, because add them together is 100%, right? Or we have an example. If A means you win a game. So what is A bar? Means you will lose the game. If you have like a 40% you win the game, so what is it? Your chance to lose the game? You have a 60%. What is 1 minus 40%? So this is the formula. I give you two examples. Look at the first example. Okay. If we know A has a probability 14 out of 15, so this is a probability, right, between 0 and 1. Good. So what is the complementary probability? Okay. What the probability for the complementary event? Okay, we have a formula, right? So if it's like if it's simple, you like to draw a graph like this. Okay, if this is S, now if this is A, and so this one is A bar, right? So this is A bar, and put it together. Now you know A is this probability, right? A you know, so what is A bar? Definitely we know, right? So A bar equals 1 minus the probability of A. Okay, that's the formula. All we need to do is plug in. The probability of A is 14 out of 15. So you do calculations of 1 out of 15. Okay, so this example. Just the formula. Okay, we look at the second. Based on the records, the probability there was snow in a certain time on January the 1st is 0.428. Means what? There's a big chance, right? 42.8% of the chance, almost half, okay, half to snow, half to not snow. This is a big chance already. Find the probability that a given year it will not snow, okay, on that day, in that town. So the objective is still the same, right? It's not means what? The opposite of A. If I give you the graph is look like this, okay, simply say, okay, if this is the sample space, if it's still cut 2, if here we say is snow, okay, so what is that? The opposite is not snow, right? This is not snow. Okay, if I give you snow, we call it A. If suppose if I give this is even the A, so what is that? So this should be A bar. Okay, so now what's the probability for this? We know is this probability to snow, so 0.428. So what is the probability here? Okay, the opposite. So we just use the probability. Now the probability A bar is 1 minus the probability at the A. Okay, do calculation. 1 minus 0.428, which is 0.572, right? 57 or around the 57%. The chance to not snow. Okay, added together is 100%. That's all. Thank you.